everybody, it's Steph Lau here. Today I want to talk about how you're using 3 steps to help you build a profitable online course. Alright, we're gonna have 3 very simple steps. Let's get into step number 1. Alright, so step number 1, how you can actually build a profitable online course. Step number 1, we need to find your course idea, right? So how are we gonna actually find it? We need to understand what is your expertise, what you're good at. Like, think about people around you. What kind of advice have you ever given to them? Or what are the questions that your friends, your family members, or your colleagues have always asked you about? So that is actually a very good way to help you identify what is actually you're very good at, all right? And you're also going to find out who are the people that you can add the most value to, all right? So you're going to figure out these 2 groups of people, yourself and also the group of your potential clients. So step number 1, you actually need to find all these people. In step number 2, we actually need to test the idea. What does it mean? So we want to test whether this online course is actually sellable or not, right? Before we actually create the program. Therefore, we want to test the idea. So how are we going to do that? There are 2 parts we need to do. First of all, we need to test the course outline. So using the market research and also the conversation we had with our potential customers, we're going to create a beta online course outline, right? So we're going to create the outline and we're going to test with the people whether they're actually interested with your course outline, whether they're interested in the modules, the learnings, the modules that you are sharing, right? And then we also want to test by creating different posts, different educational content. Are we actually engaging the right people? Are they actually liking the content? Do they actually find that you are adding value to them? All right, so step number 2, you're gonna test whether the topic is attractive to these people or not. And the last step number 3, is that we actually want to sell the idea. So how can you actually sell the idea? We can use a webinar or what you call a masterclass. So it's like a video training, and you're gonna educate these people, and at the end you're gonna give them an offer and let them whether they want to buy your program or not. All right, and then we also want to have a coaching with them, right? So in the coaching, can you actually sell them to take the actions? And can you actually sell them to give you testimonials? And can you actually sell them to give you great feedback so that you can improve your online course content, right? So here are the 3 steps. Again, let me just quickly recap, all right? 3 steps to build a profitable online course. First of all, you're gonna find out what is your idea. Then you're gonna test whether this idea works or not by creating the course outline and also creating educational content. And lastly, you're gonna sell this online course and sell your students to actually take actions and get the results and ask them to give you honest feedback. Cool? So this is the very simple step of how you can build a profitable online course.